I am Shubham Kulkarni from grade 8B, studying in Orchids International School, Thane. The maths kit is amazing. It is way easier to do subjects like perimeter and area from visuals rather than just plain old diagrams which we do in normal schooling. Let's have a look at it. As you can see, the maths kit comes with a well-equipped manual with all the instructions in it and a briefing of all the main components in the kit. The tools given here will help us determine which surface area will be which. For example, this specific one goes for a cube, this specific goes for a cuboid, this goes for a cone, and this goes for a cylinder. Several other activities are included here, such as area of a circle, parallelogram kit, and several others. Now, the difference between this and normal schooling, that is that in normal schooling on the board, the teacher simply draws the diagram and expects you to understand. But here, instead of that, for example, let's look at the area of the circle. Here, we are given several pieces of the circle. You can hold it in your hands and understand what is it doing rather than just drawing it and trying to understand what is there on the board. Several students who face difficulty in maths are being helped with this. They can now easily see what is happening without getting nervous. I and my friends had a lot of fun with the maths kit. We enjoyed a lot and learned a lot. Thank you.